Wondering what free fall motion is? Well, let Arav and Riya help you understand this better. In the recess time where the students are in the park, there is an apple tree and an apple falls down. Arav questions, wonder why everything always falls down. Riya says, because Earth's gravity is pulling things down. Then Arav has, by how much velocity does the object fall down? What is the force that causes this velocity? Well, then Riya says, let's measure the next apple fall and see what is the velocity. So when the next apple falls, Riya measures it and sees that at every instant of time, the velocity of the apple was increasing every second. So she made the following observation. Every second, the falling object becomes faster. Its velocity increases by 9.8 meters per second each second. This acceleration, where the velocity is increasing, is because of gravity, hence it is called acceleration due to gravity. So when an apple falls down, the initial velocity of the object is 0 and the distance it travels is the height from which it falls to the ground. We can use S is equal to ut plus half at square and come to the conclusion that the distance of a free falling object is half into 9.8 into t square, where 9.8 is coming from the acceleration due to gravity. And the final velocity of the object is v is equal to u plus at, which can be rewritten as 9.8 into t. In the next recess, Arav throws the ball upward to see if it goes up. But the ball slows down, stops momentary, and then falls down at the same way like the apple. What happens here is, the object slowly goes up because gravity is acting in the opposite direction and then falls down, which is similar to the free fall where the velocity increases by 9.8 in each second. So when the ball is going up, the gravity is in the opposite direction where there is an initial velocity that you have given to the ball. So the distance it covers would be equal to height, which is equal to u minus half into 9.8 into t square, where the minus is coming because gravity is in the opposite direction and 9.8 is the acceleration due to gravity. At the top, the initial velocity of the object is 0, or for the upward motion, the final velocity of the object is 0. After this point, the object follows the similar pattern of a free fall, where the gravity is in the same direction and the distance it covers in the next part would be h is equal to half into 9.8 into t square, and final velocity will be 9.8 into t. So remember that at the top, final velocity of the upward motion and the initial velocity of the downward motion is 0. Hope this has solved all your questions regarding free fall. Subscribe to the channel where we are doing a series of quick concepts where we do big learning in small time. Comment below on which topic you would like to watch quick video for the next time.